Hey guys, a very warm welcome. I am Hina Bhimani. You guys are watching me live on your favorite Goki app, on your favorite show, the Hina Bhimani Wellness Show. And today we are discussing about how to involve your kids in cooking. अपने बच्चों को cooking इस कर्फ्यू में कैसे involve कर सकते हैं. बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग टॉपिक है गाइस, बिकॉज द किड्स आर गेटिंग बोर्ड एट होम. दे विल गेम खेल कर भी कितनी देर तक वो गेम खेलेंगे एंड सो मच और क्या क्या कर सकते हैं. सो इट्स बेटर टू इन्वॉल्व देम इन कुकिंग एंड कीप देम बिजी. सो गाइज, अ वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग सेशन कमिंग अप फॉर यू ऑल. आई होप यू ऑल आर प्लेइंग द क्विज और क्विज का खेलने का. आई एम श्योर वी नो द रीजन बिहाइंड इट, वी नो द एम बिहाइंड इट. We are playing the quiz so that we can accumulate points, and these points we can donate to the workers, to the helpers who are helping us, policemen, doctors, nurses, community helpers. These are all helping us. They are standing in front line for us and always serving the nation, trying to protect us so that we can peacefully sit at home. So it's our duty to help them get proper protection. So mask जो है उनको donate कर सकते हैं आप घर पर बैठे बैठे ये क्विज खेल के. बाय द वे, ये क्विज से आपको भी फायदा बहुत मिलेगा, बिकॉज आपको काफी सारा इंफॉर्मेशन जो है क्विज का मिलेगा. तो क्विज का इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, एट द सेम टाइम आपको जो है जस्ट अ सेकंड गाइस, क्विज का इंफॉर्मेशन मिलेगा, एट द सेम टाइम आपको जो है ये डोनेशन करने का भी मौका मिलेगा. तो आप अच्छे कर्म कर सकते हैं. We all want to help, but the problem is we are not allowed to step out, okay? So as responsible citizens, we should all sit at home and try to, play the quiz, gain information and serve the nation. Jai Singh ji, namaste. Welcome. Zulfi is here. Zulfi, welcome. I'm good. Sagar is here. Hi Sagar, namaste. Chandni Tiwari, hello. Anurag Tiwari ji, namaste. Thank you so much everyone. Dattarya Mhatre, namaste. डॉक्टर मनोज सोनी जी, अमित सिंह, शारिका जी, नमस्ते. इमरान शेख, हेलो, नमस्ते. विवेक गुप्ता जी, थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर ट्यूनिंग इन. गुड आफ्टरनून फरहान, अस्सलाम वालेकुम. योर फेस पैक इज ऑसम एंड माई स्किन वॉज ग्लोइंग. दीदी, दैट्स ग्रेट. आई एम ग्लैड दैट आपको वो फेस पैक अच्छा लगा. हिना के सटल लुक में भी नेचुरल फेस मास्क का ग्लो सामने आ रहा है. थैंक यू सो मच. Yeah, so that's the benefit of sitting at home and pampering yourself. So it's not only the face mask, okay, it's also what you put inside your body and how you treat your body. So if you're putting healthy things in your body, green juice, smoothies, fruits, nuts, seeds, and along with that, I do meditation, I do yoga, I do like a proper workout. आज headstand भी किया, so I'm feeling like, oh wow, energized. And I listen to those mantras, जो मैं एक mantras सुनती हूँ, which just takes me to a different level. मैं अलग zone में होती हूँ for those 2 hours where I do my workout and where I do my meditation, pranayam. I wake up early so that I can do that, and then I have to घर का झाड़ू पोछा, cleaning, washing, cooking, ये सब करना होता है. And then of course come and talk to you all. So I try to do that in the morning, and believe me, I feel so energetic. It is something else. And then वो 2 घंटे में मेरा ये सारा काम होता है. Then I have my breakfast, then I have a bath, and then I'm ready to go for the day. So that's what I want you all also to do, for which Goki has come up with this 30-day challenge where you can join a life coach, okay, whichever life coach you want to join. So you get 1 point for that. You can join as many life coaches as you want, and you can also follow the quarantine home workout जो दिया हुआ है गोकी ऐप पर. तो वो आप देखें और वो वर्कआउट करें, तो इससे आपको पॉइंट्स मिलेंगे. टॉप 5 प्लेयर्स विल गेट गोकी मर्चेंडाइज, एंड टॉप 100 प्लेयर्स विल गेट 3000 गोकी कैश. इजंट दैट अमेजिंग? आप कर्म योगा भी कर रहे हो बाय गिविंग, डोनेटिंग फेस मास्क टू पीपल हु आर हेल्पिंग अस. एट द सेम टाइम यू आर टेकिंग केयर ऑफ योर सेल्फ ऑल्सो. सो दोनों काम हो रहा है. सो डू दैट गाइज. You're glowing and sparkling. You're looking like Barbie doll. Oops, thank you so much. Shri Bhavan, thank you so much. Dawn Danoy, you're glowing today. You say thank you so much. So guys, यही होता है जब हम घर पर बैठ के रेस्ट, अच्छी नींद लेते हैं, हम अपने आप का ख्याल रखते हैं, धूप में कम भटकते हैं. तो ऐसे ही होता है. थैंक यू सो मच एवरीवन फॉर योर काइंड वर्ड्स. प्रांजल अग्रवाल, हाई. गोकी कैश को ऐड कर सकते हैं सिस? बिल्कुल जी, बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं. आप गोकी कैश से बहुत सारी चीजें बाय कर सकते हैं. यू कैन बाय सो मेनी थिंग्स फ्रॉम गोकी स्टोर. I finished carrot poha for breakfast and also doing lady finger, nimbu rasam and cabbage curry. That's great. That's great. So guys, मेरे जैसे बहुत सारे दूसरे कोचेज हैं, सभी के सेशंस को जाकर जरूर से देखें. We have Tufail, we have Tufail and Nazar doing a session on fitness. We have Parvez doing marathon training. We have Alista teaching us dance steps. Shweta, Suparna doing Zumba. We have Arohi doing healthy recipes. We also have so many amazing yoga coaches. Ronak, Nishta, Bhumika, Sheetal. सभी के योगा सेशंस को जाकर देखिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए. एंड वन इम्पॉर्टेंट इन्फॉर्मेशन फॉर यू ऑल, कल से आप मुझे देखेंगे शाम को 6:30 बजे. सो प्लीज 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 डू कम एंड वॉच मी. सो टुमारो एट 6:30. कल से मंडे, ट्यूसडे टू सैटरडे यू विल सी मी एवरी डे एट 6:30. That's great, Jay. That's great. Om chanting is so relaxing and so it makes you feel so. Sorry, it makes you feel so positive. Okay, so how to involve your kids in cooking during a curfew? What you can do is you can give a big vessel जिसमें आप पानी डाल दीजिए, and you can give them some vegetables to wash. Okay, you can show them how to wash vegetable. हल्का सा पानी गरम कर दीजिए, उसमें salt डाल दीजिए, and then let your child wash the vegetable in that water. थोड़ा थोड़ा vegetables दे दीजिए. They'll wash some vegetables, then you discard that water, then you refill that water again. फिर से पानी भर दीजिए, salt water गर्म पानी से फिर से wash कर दीजिए, then again you refill. इस तरीके से जो है आप refill करते करते जो है wash करना सिखाइए बच्चों को, कैसे vegetables wash करना है. So you can give these things, okay? Yes, tomorrow evening at 6:30. शाम को 6:30 बजे कल से. Yes. So you can ask them to wash the vegetables like that गर्म पानी में. Then you can make them squeeze lemon juice. तो आप एक बर्तन दे सकते हैं और उसमें lemon juice squeeze करने के लिए कह सकते हैं बच्चों को. They love squeezing lemon juice. That way, they will exercise their fingers. Also, you can teach them how to squeeze lemon juice. So you can make them squeeze the juice. You can give them स्पून. आप स्पून दे दीजिए. स्पून का जो पीछे का हिस्सा है वो थोड़ा सा शार्प होता है, उससे आप उनको वेजिटेबल कैसे कट करना है, जैसे कि सॉफ्ट वेजिटेबल लाइक दूधी है, लौकी है, वो स्पून से कट सकती है. या तो वो प्लास्टिक की, अगर आपके पास नाइफ है, ओके, यू कैन गिव दैट प्लास्टिक की नाइफ टू योर चाइल्ड विच विल हेल्प देम टू कट द वेजिटेबल्स. तो यू कैन नॉट गिव देम शार्प नाइफ, राइट? सो आप प्लास्टिक की नाइफ दे दीजिए, या तो यू कैन गिव द स्पून जिसका बैक का पार्ट जो है वो शार्प है, उससे वो वेजिटेबल्स जो है, दूधी, लौकी, सॉफ्ट वेजिटेबल्स कट कर सकते हैं. एंड प्लास्टिक की जो अगर नाइफ दोगे आप विच इज नॉट सो शार्प, दैट कैन बी इजिली यूज्ड बाय द किड्स. यू कैन टीच देम हाउ टू कट द वेजिटेबल. They really enjoy doing it. Of course, it has to be under your guidance. आपके सामने वो करना चाहिए, not without your presence. It has to be, everything has to be under your presence. Okay, so you have to monitor that. New timing awesome. Tomorrow my mom's birthday too. That's great. 1st April को मम्मी का बर्थडे है. My God, लोग मानेंगे नहीं बर्थडे है या अप्रैल फूल बना रहे हैं. आज भी शाम में भी आओगी वंदना जी? आज शाम को मैं नहीं आऊंगी, कल से मैं आपको शाम को मिलूंगी. Thank you so much, Vandana Kumari ji. When making chutney, they can be taught to add the ingredients to the mixer grinder. Absolutely. So these things, you cannot directly let them go near the gas के पास आप directly जाने नहीं दे सकते. But when you're adding stuff, they can mix it, okay? They can mix it. जब गैस पे तब नहीं, but जब भी आप उसको करी जब भी बन गई है, you can get the curry down or whatever the food is done. You can just ask them to just mix it well, ताकि properly salt जो है लास्ट में अगर हम डालते हैं तो हम उनको बता सकते हैं कि this is the salt we put and we are mixing. So you can teach them those basic things. If the child is big enough, okay, teenager है या above 12 है, the child can understand things. Then in your presence you can teach them how to stir the food. Spoon कैसे फिर आना है, chamcha, how to mix the food, all that you can teach them. So that is important, but don't let your child go too close to the cooking, to the gas. Key addition can be taught. You tell them to do chapati dough. Yes, chapati dough. Chapati इतनी अच्छी बनाते हैं बच्चे. So you teach them, you give them. So that's what we do at home. जब हमारे घर पे चपाती बनती है, थोड़ा आटा बच्चों के लिए हम निकाल के रखते हैं. and the kids love, they just enjoy, and they can go on and on and on, and that can keep them busy. But they don't enjoy playing games as much as they enjoy making rotis and all of that. So yes, you can involve them in making chapati. छोटी छोटी चपाती बनाने लगाइए उनको. I thought that छोटा सा thing also, roller or that thing to roll the rotis. मेरे पास वो खिलौने वाला wooden का है, so तो उन लोग बनाते हैं बच्चे, and then we make those small rotis for them and we give it to them, and we also give to the birds. So that's how you can teach them also that these rotis which are made can be given to the birds. So that way you can teach your child. You can tell them to teach how to keep rice, rasam and sambar too. Yes, absolutely. Rice is so simple. Rice बनाने के लिए you can teach them how to wash it. तो राइस को आप डाल के उसमें पानी डाल के you can just teach them कि इस तरीके से आपको लेना है. You have to wash the rice few times, rinse the water, then you fill the water. So you can teach them, जैसे you're taking 1 cup of rice, you add 2 to 2.5 cups of water. So that way you can teach them how the rice is made, how much salt will go in that, how much ghee you are putting in that, how you do the tadka. All these basics you can teach them. You can teach them the names of the different ingredients that you're using for cooking, and then you can take like a test. Okay, tell me which spice is this: red chili, turmeric, cloves, garlic, ginger, cinnamon. All those things they can learn. Elaichi. So that way they can learn different names, and उनकी game भी बहुत अच्छी हो जाएगी. So I would suggest that I highly recommend you all to involve your child in cooking. They actually love doing that. Okay, घर की activities करने में उनको बहुत मजा आती है. Also along with that, what you can do is you can make your child क्या बोल रही थी मैं? Yes, you can make your child cut those things. जैसे कि garlic है, garlic के small pieces करना, cut करना भी आप सिखा सकते हैं उनको. That how to cut it and how to saute करना भी आप सिखा सकते हैं. You can teach them how to cut cucumbers, tomatoes for salad. You can, like Jay rightly said, chutney किस तरीके से बनानी है. So you teach them that. You teach them the benefit of each spice. Okay, हर एक spice का benefit आप बताइए. Chai, they would love to make tea. Okay, so what you can do is you can show them. Okay, you take this much water, you put tea leaves, then you put avoid putting sugar. You can put jaggery. That's what we use. We put jaggery. We use that desi jaggery. We don't put sugar. So we put desi jaggery, or sometimes we just make it without sugar. So just a small piece of jaggery, or if you have it with sugar, you can show them how much quantity of sugar. Then you put elaichi. Then you put ginger. So all these things you can teach them. They will become a pro by the time they grow up. They will know all this, and if they have to enter in the kitchen, they will not be stressed. They will not feel anything unusual. They will definitely enjoy doing what you've been teaching them for years. Mixing salads, yes, absolutely. Yes, so yes, Dada. So depends, right? कि कितना हम rice बना रहे. You can teach them the quantity. Teach them powders making at home, rasam powder, sambar powder to prepare and keep in store. Yes, ये सारी चीजें हम अपने बच्चों को सिखा सकते हैं, and that will really keep them busy, and they will be very happy. They will be proud of it that okay, they know all these things, so they can always go back to their friends and they can discuss with their friends कि आज हमने ये बनाया, or we know how to make all these things. So it can be very, very interesting, and it can be very engaging also for them, because the best thing is you are doing like a homeschooling right now. Quarantine है, तो बच्चे बेचारे घर पर है, and they are they are learning life skills. They are learning cooking. They are learning washing utensils. They are learning clothes. They are learning how to clean, how to sweep. And आप उनके पास what we also do is एक छोटा सा napkin भिगो के गीला करके दे देते हैं, and then we ask the child to clean all the cupboards and all the walls and all that. तो soap water में भिगो के दे दीजिए. Ask them to clean it, then dip it in clean water, then again dip it in soap water and again clean it. That way you can involve them in cleaning also. They will all enjoy doing it. Yes, making tikki can also be showed to them. If you're making tikki, अगर आप कोई टिक्की बना रहे हो, अगर आप कुछ बड़ा बना रहे हो, या आप कुछ भजिए बना रहे हो, पकौड़े बना रहे हो, So you can teach them how to make those pakoras and tikkis also. Yes, very interesting, right, Jay? They can be given utensils to serve small amounts of vegetables dal to the thali. They will learn how to serve. Absolutely. बहुत ज़्यादा गरम ना हो, इस चीज़ का ख्याल रखें. And you can teach them how to serve food also. And most importantly, you know, a lot of kids don't eat by themselves. Their parents have to serve. So this is the time where you can involve them in you know, eating food by themselves. बच्चे 5 साल के ऊपर है, you should let them, in fact, you know, at a very young age you start training them to start having food by themselves. अपने हाथ से खाने की training दे दीजिए. So by the time they become 4, 5, they can start eating by themselves. So ये habit जो है खुद से खाने की, I know parents are not satisfied. They feel हम हमारे हाथ से खिलाएंगे तो बच्चे अच्छे से खाएंगे. They will eat more, which is a fact. I don't disagree on this, but they will never learn to eat by themselves. So no distractions while the food is while they're eating food. Everybody has to sit on the dining table. Everybody has to eat together. And also teach them that, you know, don't keep drinking water while you're eating food. A lot of kids drink so much of water. Not only kids, we adults also drink so much of water while eating food that, you know, हमारा खाना digest ही नहीं होता. So if you do that, your digestion process will get hampered. So don't do that. Digestion hamper ना हो, इसका ख्याल रखें. Don't keep having water while you're eating. After 30 minutes after your food is done, okay, 30 minutes after food is done, then you can eat. Then you can have water. My good thing is to go to kitchen and observe how my mom cooks. So I learned cooking by observation when I was kid too. That's so cool. That is really nice. That, you know, you observed and you learn and you enjoy doing it, which is such a good thing. It's a life skill which I think it's not gender based that a female should know. Everybody should know. It's so important to learn cooking and to know how to cook for yourself and for others. It's a very important skill, especially in this time of quarantine. We have realized that, you know, we should know how to cook and, you know, eat and help others also to, you know, in the other activities. Otherwise पूरा का पूरा load जो है घर की ladies के ऊपर, females के ऊपर आ जाता है. But if you share it, if you participate in it equally, you will be respected, you will be loved more. So do that. Good time to make them learn to eat food by themselves and make them eat everything. They will realize the importance of this when they grow up, stay in hostels and other city. Absolutely, Jaising, which is so important. Like I said, you know, parents are running behind the kids. Ke ye khana, ye kha lo, wo kha lo. We're just you know, spending so much time behind them to make them eat. Rather, you know, we can use that time and help them to try different things. Alag recipes आप try कर सकते हैं. You can make them have smoothies. Yes, guys, this is the time when you can make them have smoothies. गाजर का जूस है, beetroot है. So that's what I'm doing is, you know, since because of Corona, the immunity, everybody needs to build immunity. So along with me, okay, मेरे साथ साथ मैं I encourage my daughter also to have this smoothie which is made with palak, coriander, beetroot, carrot, दाड़म जो है, पोमीग्रेनेट है, जिंजर है, लेमन है, ये सब डाल के बहुत ही डिलिशियस सा स्मूदी बन जाता है. So you can, you know, convince the child to have this smoothie. The child will reject it for a few times, but you have to convince it. You have to be behind your child's back that you cannot afford to fall sick at this time. You know, your doctors are not easily available, so you have to eat by yourself. You have to try different things to build your immunity. Show them different videos on health, you know, guide them, convince them. If you drink in front of them, the child will be encouraged. They become independent and responsibilities will be more, what to do and what not to do. Bilkul Dada, you are right. After eating the mess food, one realizes the importance of home food and the amount of efforts which mom puts in to take care of the children. Relish home food when it is in front of you. Bilkul, you are so right. That, you know, हमको पता नहीं चलता how much time, efforts and, you know, the cleaning and the washing and then the post eating जो भी काम रहता है. There's so much to do which a mother does it and the child, बच्चे को तो भनक भी नहीं पड़ती कि मम्मी ने कितना सारा काम कर दिया है उनके लिए. So you have to be grateful to your mother. So just be grateful to your mother and you know, help her is what I would suggest. It's the right time, like how Dada learned how to cook, observing her mother, observing his mother. This is the time we involve our child to do all the activities, कुकिंग, क्लीनिंग, खाना खाने के बाद अपनी प्लेट उठाकर रखना है, फिर सब कचरा जो है उसको क्लीन करना है, washing the utensils, not keeping it for later. So cleanliness, hygiene, सब कुछ, this is the right time to teach them. जय सिंह इज सेइंग, अर्ज किया है सेशन शायरी, दिल के करीब होते हैं बच्चे, मन की संकल्प हो सच्चे, तो स्ट्रेस आएगी नीचे, ख्याल भी आएंगे अच्छे अच्छे. बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, ख्याल भी अच्छे अच्छे आएंगे, स्ट्रेस भी कम होगा. बच्चे जो है दे just elevate your mood, आपके मूड को अच्छा कर देते हैं. They just make you happy by the things that they do. So teaching them will also give you that joy, and that is your moral responsibility to guide your child, right? It is everybody's responsibility, whoever has a child and family में जहाँ भी बच्चे हैं, हमारी रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है कि हम हमारे बच्चों को सही गाइडेंस दें. एंड जय जी की जो शायरी है इज बैंग ऑन, सुपर्ब, ही इज टू गुड यार गाइज, यू शुड लिसन टू हिज शायरी. हर एक कुछ भी मैंने बोला, इंस्टेंटली विद इन अ मिनट ही विल कम अप विद समथिंग एंड ही विल मेक समथिंग ब्यूटिफुल आउट ऑफ इट. सो दिस इज so गुड जय, वेरी नाइस. So we are talking about how to involve your kids in cooking. So involve your kids not only in cooking but cleaning, washing, all of that. Okay, बर्तन धोना भी सिखाइए बच्चों को. And how you can do that is you can give them some utensils, कुछ बर्तन दे दीजिए, and you can give them soap, water, and you can teach them कि किस तरीके से, give them the scrub and teach them how to clean the vessels. They will love it. Give them small vessels, छोटे छोटे बर्तन दीजिए. They really enjoy washing vessels. I know because I have 2 kids at home, my brother's daughter and my own daughter. So I see them enjoying it. Okay, they enjoy it so much, washing small vessels. It is so much fun for them because this is something unusual, right? They don't get to do this normally. They are not otherwise playing with their friends. They're doing different activities, but this homework is something that they genuinely enjoy. But we don't let them do it because we think late हो जाएगा, खराब कर देंगे and all of that. But we should actually just give them some time. ज़्यादा नहीं तो थोड़े बर्तन दे दीजिए and involve them. That's more important. Children learn even the minute things. They observe everything. Hence, each small action acts towards building the children. Hence, take small steps every day. Don't worry too much. You are so right. The child is observing you. The child observes the way you teach, the way you talk, the way you do things. So to give you an example, now when I do a live session over here and when I'm talking to you all, my daughter is moving around in the house and she watches me, the way I'm talking and the way I'm conducting the session. And I've seen her, sometimes she would just sit with the phone and she would just talk like me, hi guys, and she would say, today we will talk about this, and she would talk so wonderfully. And I wonder that she was playing, she was not even standing and listening to me that carefully, but she observes what I'm doing, what all actions I'm doing, how I'm placing my phone, how I'm getting ready, everything. So that's a positive learning, right? Your child learns. The best way to learn, the best way to teach a child is to do it yourself so that they learn from your actions. Okay, you want your child to eat healthy, please eat healthy in front of them. You don't want your child to eat chocolates, biscuits and unhealthy things and all those sugary drinks. Please don't have all of that in front of your child. Your child will learn, will observe and learn. So let your child observe the good things from you and not unhealthy things from you. Involve your child in a good way. Thank you, Zulfi. Yes, it is amazing the way the child learns, the way the child picks up, and they use words like you do. Okay, so you have to be very careful the way you talk to your family members, the way you talk to your spouse, the way you talk to your mother, the way you talk to everyone around, to your friends. They observe and then they try to copy you. So please be careful. And especially girls, they like to copy the way the mother dresses. So the daughter likes to put lipstick and get ready and comb their hair. So you have to be very careful about the actions that you do in front of your child. Things that you don't want the child to learn, please do it without in their absence, or close your door and whatever you want to do it. But don't talk loudly in front of your child. Don't abuse any abusive language. Don't disrespect anyone in front of them, because that's what the child is learning, and the child feels okay, it's okay to talk like this to someone. Child doesn't know, and then we get angry on the child that how did you talk to me like this, but you don't realize this is how you spoke to someone, and the child has picked up from you, and you are getting angry on the child, which is wrong. So don't let your child learn wrong things from you. Okay, the child tribe attracts the vibes of the child. The child's tribes attract the vibes of the child. Yes, bilkul, bilkul. Okay, they learn a lot from their folks also. So you have to be careful with whom they are moving, with whom they are playing. Okay, so you have to have a, you have to be aware of the kind of kids they play with their friends. किन बच्चों के साथ वो खेल रहे हैं, and you have to try and understand that child's mentality also. So I would suggest that you should organize play dates at home. So get kids at home, and then you let your child go to the other friends' home. So that way they learn, and when you do a play date at home, you will know the mentality of every child which is present in your house. So that's what you should do. That's what we do. We organize play dates. Right now in quarantine, no play dates for the kids. But once everything settles, we do play dates where 5-10 kids come and they play and they eat together and they spend time together. That's a play date. So from a play date, you as a parent will learn many things about your child. You will know how your child behaves in a group. You will learn how other kids are behaving. You will learn some good things about your child. You will come to know some bad things about your child and about the other kids also. And it will become easier for you to counsel your child. So I think play dates are very important. Dada saying, I've got lots of beating. The utensils are in unshaped by hitting me. Sometimes I was little naughty too when I was a kid. Wow. Yeah, हमको बचपन में बहुत मार पड़ी है, मुझे भी पड़ी है. We all get bashings from our parents. But nowadays it's, बच्चों पर हाथ उठाने की मना है, which I agree to. If you can explain to your child in a nicer way that you don't have to hit your child. Okay, it affects them emotionally, and they keep thinking about it, which I feel is bad. So just explain to your child, just sit with your child, explain things, and be as a friend rather than a parent. So the child will share everything with you. If you keep getting angry, if you keep yelling at your child, the child will never share anything with you. So you have to build a friendship relation, like a friendly relationship with your child. Very, very important. Very, very important. Thank you so much, Zulfi. I'm glad. I hope we all apply this to, with whomever we come in contact with, whichever child we come in contact with. We have at home or we keep meeting outside. It's the moral responsibility of all the adults to be careful and to take care of the child. Very, very important. I used to irritate my mom, and she used to beat with utensils which are in shape. Oh God, that's so cute. It's kind of convince yourself before convincing others around your advices and actions. Yes, you have to convince yourself. Okay. You have to know the rights. Okay, so there's no perfect parenting. Okay, we are all learning. We are not born as a parent. We learn. Okay, we observe. We try our best to be a good parent. So we all have to. And somehow, even if you don't have a child, you become a parent to your parents. Okay, आप अपने parents को advice देते हो. Then your role is like a parent. You give advices to your friends. You give advices to your clients, so you become like a parent. So you have to that, and then it becomes your moral responsibility. If somebody has faith on you, somebody is looking up to you, it is your responsibility to guide them in the right way, not to misguide them. Okay, it is your moral responsibility. So as adults, we have to be responsible for our action to what others are learning from us. Namaste Kiranji, namaste. I used to not study well too. That's okay. I'm sure those are all sweet memories. वो सारे प्यारे memories है जो अभी हम cherish कर रहे हैं. I have got beaten from my dad with belt. The mark was almost there for 1 month. Oh my God, that's bad. That's really bad. This was a perfect session with wonderful advice, much needed for all users. Yes, we all need it because we all have kids at home. और quarantine में हमारे बच्चे हमारे आंखों के सामने हैं. And we don't want the child to suffer because of our behavior. And what you teach your child बचपन में जो है वो जिंदगी भर उनके साथ रहता है. तो बचपन में आपने right advice दी, बचपन में आपने उनके सारे फियर्स हटा दिए, so they will not be fearful. I remember, I would like to give you this example. When I was a child, my mother was very scared of trains, okay, local trains. So she always told me that, you know, never go in the train. You should never go in the train, and she kept giving me a lot of examples of the accidents that that took in the train. So she always used to say, ट्रेन में नहीं जाने का, बहुत फास्ट चलती है, एक्सीडेंट हो जाता है, इसका पैर कट गया, उसका पैर कट गया. So she used to keep saying that to me. So when I grew up, I'm giving you a negative example, okay? Positive तो बहुत सारे हैं. I wanted to just give you a negative example. So that was her fear which she put in me, okay? Of course, as a mother, she was very, she wanted me to be very careful. She loved me, so she didn't want, you know, me to suffer. So she kept saying that, you know, for safety purpose, she said, you know, she put this thing in my head that don't go in the train. I remember till my college, anybody used to ask me, you know, anything about train, or कभी भी topic निकलता था, तो मेरे I used to say the only thing used to come out of my mouth is train is bad. ट्रेन में नहीं जाना चाहिए. I don't remember traveling in train till the time I reached in college. College भी my father used to come to drop me and to pick me up, because my mother used to not allow me at all to travel in the train or you know, public transport. बहुत कम, okay. My father used to try and drop us. So that fear was so much that, you know, after a few years in my college, when I had to travel in the train, I was very, very scared. And when I traveled in the train, I realized, yes, it is scary, but if you take care, okay, it can be very good. It can be very quick. You can be safe if you take care. So it's what you put in your child's head stays with the child for a long time. So be careful of what fear you are putting in your child's head. Don't you know, thrust your likings or dislikings of food on your child, or if you don't like someone from the family, or if you have some grudges with the family member, don't tell that to your child, and don't let your child's behavior get influenced by that. You cannot put your personal opinion, your personal fears on your child. You have to let the child have an open mind and an open heart, is the advice I want to give to everyone. Dattarya Mahatre, namaste, namaste. And I see 6.26k hearts. This is amazing. 1.7k hearts. Thank you so much. 1.7k people live. I hope this session becomes useful to you all, and I really hope that you all involve your kids in all the activities that you do, and keep them engaged, keep them busy, and you know, and let them enjoy this phase, okay? Don't push them to study, don't push them to read too much, but let them learn the life skills. This is the best thing to do. You have broken the shackles wonderfully, Hina. Yes, I have broken the shackles. I have broken so many things. I had fear of height. That's what, again, I remember my mother said, "But terrace pe kabhi mat jana, terrace pe mat jana, height pe mat jana." And I was so fearful of the height, so fearful to a limit that the moment I used to see down from the terrace, I used to feel like I'm going to fall, or I used to feel dizzy. That was so bad. I wanted to break that fear of me. When I grew up, I realized that, you know, this is unrealistic fear, which I need to break it. So what I did, guys, when I went to Manali, so there was this highest mountain over there. I don't remember how many meters. I think some 22,000 meter highest mountain was there. And I never in my life jumped from a height, or, you know, did anything where I'm at the top. And I wanted to break my fear. I thought this is the right time. This is the right time to get rid of the fear. So I did paragliding from 22,000 meter mountain. Okay, I jumped from that, and oh my God, the moment I jumped, my heart was in my mouth. I was so scared. But then I just let everything go, and I said to myself, everything is okay. It's okay to fall. You're going to land somewhere. So that was the feeling I had in my head. And, you know, when I landed, I felt so liberated. I felt so confident, and, you know, that really helped me to get rid of that fear of height that I had. And since then, I've been doing many things at, you know, at big heights. So yes, guys, you have to get rid of the fear. You have unrealistic fears. Okay, the fear, only one fear should exist in our life, is the fear of God, and no other fear has its place in our lives. No, absolutely no other fear. You should have no fear. You should have respect. If you're not doing something, you're doing it out of respect and not out of fear. So fear unrealistic fear has to go out of your child's head, out of your own head, and then it will go out of your child's head. So that's it for today guys. बहुत ज़्यादा मैंने ज्ञान दे दिया आज और टॉपिक बहुत लंबा चला गया. We are about 35 minutes, okay. Wow, same pinch, even I was stunned by my heart, also got stopped for some time. My fear went off too. Manali was great trip. Yes, it was awesome. When you fell, you rise, then wow, that's so cool. Yes, so I fell and I rised and I feel so confident and I feel so happy, and I am glad I did it because now I have this story to share with you all. Till now I'm a little scared to talk to my dad. See, that's the problem, you know. If you're scared to talk to your parents, whom would you go and talk to? So don't be the parent, that kind of a parent that your child becomes scared to discuss things, okay. Be a friend to your child. Don't be a strict parent, okay. Strictness is good, but to a level, okay, not to a level that your child cannot come and discuss things. So be loving, be caring, be kind. Very important. May the force be with you all too. Thank you so much everyone for tuning in. I hope to see you all tomorrow 6:30. कल 6:30 बजे जरूर से आइए और subscribe and play the challenge, play the quiz, and keep watching. Okay, you have any questions for me, do let me know. You guys have a wonderful time ahead. Keep smiling, take very good care of yourself, and be the force. Thank you everyone for those beautiful hearts. We have almost reached 7K hearts. Thank you so much. Namaste. Bye. Thank you Zulfi, Jay, Dada, and everyone for your kind words. Bye.